Okay, crank. Replacing fuel pump. Oh.
Okay.
Fuel level. Check fuel level. Switch on only. We replace the fuel pump. Full. 4,000 4 Taurus 4 cylinder. Oh, down. Check. You need to remove this one. This is there. Down. Oh, good, good. Turn off. There. Alright. Fuel filter. And this is the screw. I removed the wheel, one side left rear, because they have a screw there.